Hello guys, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. Today I'm making some smoked Honey Chipotle Shrimp Alfredo, so stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. So what I've got here is some jumbo shrimp that I'm going to smoke, but I want to butterfly these to get some seasoning on the inside of the shrimp. Simple process guys, I've already butterflied the most of these, the majority of these shrimp here. Just take a good sharp paring knife and cut down the edge of the shrimp, or the back of the shrimp, just like this, not all the way through, and then just run your finger through that. Okay, that way you get some rub on the inside of the shrimp, and when it smokes, or when you cook it, whether you're smoking or cooking it, it'll actually pop open a little bit. Let me do another one here for you guys. Again, just a nice sharp paring knife, just go down the back of the shrimp, and then again rub your finger through there, just like that. So to season these guys, I'm going to go ahead and put these on this baking sheet, just like so. Spread them out. And the seasonings that I'm going to use are from Victory Lane BBQ. The first one is my go-to for pretty much everything that I cook or smoke. It's the Garlic Jalapeno Season All. We're just going to sprinkle this on top of all the shrimp, just like so. Okay, then I'm going to come back and top that with a Honey Chipotle rub, again from Victory Lane BBQ. Just like so. Make sure each one of these shrimp gets some of that good rub on them. And at this point guys, I'm going to go ahead and flip these and rub the other side. And I'm going to get my smoker going. By the way, these are going to be going in my Yoder YA640 pellet smoker. And I want to get some smoke on these shrimp. And so I'm going to cook these at 250 degrees. I don't know how long it's going to take. You know, shrimp are ready when they look ready. So that's pretty much what I'm going to go by. I'm not going to use my thermal pin. Again, I just want to make sure that these shrimp are completely cooked, but not overly cooked, because that can taste kind of rubbery. So I'll bring you guys outside in a bit, so stay tuned guys. Alright guys, I apologize, I forgot to show you. The reason why I butterflied them was to get some rub on the inside, and I'm just going to put some of the Honey Chipotle rub, again from Victory Lane, on the inside like this. And the reason I'm cooking these shrimp guys is the other night, Cooking with CJ was on live every Thursday. He's interviewing somebody that's got a YouTube channel, and I don't know where it came up, but somebody was talking about shrimp. So for 2 hours I sat there and typed, you know, if you guys have seen the movie Forrest Gump and the Bubba Gump story, so for 2 hours I sat there and made comments related to things that you can do with shrimp. So after that chat was over, I was like, I was really craving shrimp, so this is the reason why I'm doing this. And so I'm going to hashtag this Bubba Gump. So if you want to search YouTube and see how many other YouTube channels are making a shrimp dish, go right ahead. There's also another collaboration going on, which I'm going to hashtag this, hashtag shrimp for the win. And you can see what other YouTube channels are doing with their shrimp. So guys, I'm going to get my smoker ready outside, and I'll bring you guys with me, so stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. We are outside at the smoker, and my temperature again is set at 250 degrees. So just open the lid and put these babies in there. They're nice and marinated with the rubs. Just going to put them on the top shelf there. Just like that. Guys, and that sheet right there is a pizza sheet. You can buy those at a restaurant supply store or online as well. Makes things handling like shrimp or wings or meatballs. That way you don't have to put them directly on the grate. So again, smoker is set at 250 degrees. We're going to let these smoke for about 15 minutes and come back and take a look at them. So stay tuned guys. Alright guys, welcome back. We're back inside, and I've got my water boiling. It just started to boil, so and it helps cover it with the lid. Your boiling water helps boil the water a little bit faster. So to the water, you don't want to add any oil to it, but I am going to add a little bit of salt. Be careful. Just a little bit like this. Okay. That's going to help give the pasta good flavor. Then I'm adding a 1-pound box, so 16 ounces of fettuccine pasta into my boiling water. Just like that. I'm gonna let that boil for about 10 minutes uncovered, and we'll go check on the shrimp. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. We're outside and the shrimp has been in the smoker for about 25 minutes now, and let's take a look at them. Alright, they're still not 100% cooked. So what I'm going to do at this point, they're about halfway done, maybe more than halfway. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of butter on the shrimp. Just got some melted butter with a brush. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and brush the shrimp, flip them over, brush the other side, and we'll be back. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're done buttering the shrimp. These are almost ready, so about another probably 8 minutes or so. We'll pull them out and bring them inside, so stay tuned guys. Alright guys, welcome back. So my shrimp is just about ready. The pasta is about a minute from getting done, so I'm going to make some garlic bread as well. And this is how I make my garlic bread. I love the way it tastes. Real simple recipe. Got my French bread here. Just going to cut it in half, and in half again. I'm using a bread knife here, you can see. Okay. And at this point, I'm going to cut the bread, slice it right in half. Okay. This is going to make my garlic bread, which I absolutely love. You shouldn't be buying the store-bought stuff. I mean, there's nothing like making your own garlic bread at home. It tastes much better. So what I got here is I got a little bit of melted butter, about half a stick of butter, and I've got 2 garlic cloves here. I'm going to run these through my garlic press. Just like that. And just 2 cloves. Okay, grab yourself a spoon or knife, take that garlic off, then just mix it into your butter, just like this. That's going to give the butter a really good garlicky flavor. So at this point, you got a small silicone brush here. Just take your bread, grab some of this garlic and butter mixture, and just brush that on your toast or on your bread. It's not toast yet. Just like that. Okay? Do one more for you guys. This already smells good. Just like that. So I'm going to take these to the stove, guys, get them nice and toasty, and I'll show you what they look like. See you. Alright guys, we're back at the stove and I got my griddle on. Apologize for the previous clip, the audio. I had my microphone on backwards or facing the back of the camera, but you can still hear me. So here's my garlic bread. Again, I got it on my griddle, on my stove. So we're going to let the bread get nice and toasty, and the shrimp is ready. So I'm going to go pull it off and be back, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so my pasta has been drained, and I'm just using a store-bought Alfredo sauce. So I'm just going to pour this. This is a, what is this, a 15-ounce jar, again into 1 pound of pasta. I drained some of the water. I left a little bit of the pasta water in there. And at this point, we're just going to mix this up. You can see my garlic bread is getting nice and toasty there. Oh man, look at this pasta, guys. This looks amazing. The only thing I'm going to add to this is a little bit of black pepper into my pasta. Just like that. I love me some black pepper. So, guys, we're going to plate this together, so stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. So the shrimp is ready, my pasta is ready, my garlic bread is ready. We're just going to plate this up real quick. And look at these beautiful shrimp, guys. Look at that. I mean, it kind of split open, so I was able to put some rub on the inside of the shrimp where I butterflied them. So we're just going to plate this up. Just a few shrimp on the plate like this. And I'm going to back the camera up and give this a good old taste test. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, welcome back. So the total cook time was 45 minutes on the shrimp. Now the last 5 minutes, I cranked my smoker up to 300 degrees just to finish off the shrimp. And this is what I ended up with, guys. Look at this amazing plate. The shrimp have a nice red color, nice shiny color to them because of the butter that I put on them. Now I'm going to try one of the shrimp without any of the pasta first. See what this tastes like. My goodness. Just a little bit of heat on the back end because of the garlic jalapeno season all. Good smoky flavor. Man. Guys, again, I use the garlic jalapeno season all and the honey chipotle rub. Again, a chipotle, for those of you guys that don't know, simply is a dried or smoked jalapeno, okay? So that's how you get a chipotle pepper. So jalapeno and chipotle kind of pairing them together works. That tastes amazing. So let's try some of this pasta. Let me move one of these shrimp aside here and try some of this fettuccine Alfredo pasta. Good al dente pasta. Adding a little bit of that pepper. I did add like 2 pinches of salt to the pasta as well after I had drained the water. That's got a good flavor to it. Let's give the garlic toasted bread a shot. Garlic toast. Guys, everything paired together, man, this is good. Guys, those of you guys that like shrimp out there, give these 2 rubs a shot. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, if you have any questions below, ask them below. Any questions, ask them below. I will get to them. But thanks again for watching, guys. Joe with Smokin' Joe's Spit BBQ. See you guys.